everybody, my name is Christina. Welcome to Nurseries, and today I want to talk to you about how you can grow your own flower bouquets. So we all love what flowers can add to our landscapes. They're beautiful, but you can also grow flowers you can bring inside your home. And today I want to talk to you about some of the best flowers that you can grow and then put in your vases and decorate your home with. So when you're growing flowers to cut and put in a vase, a good sort of rule of thumb is to cut as far down the stem as you possibly can, because you want a long, nice stem to put in the water. And then make sure that you strip any leaves that are going to be below the water line. In order to help preserve your flowers in water, you can add just a little touch of bleach, which is going to help keep the water clean, and maybe a spoonful of sugar, which is going to serve to feed your flowers and give them longer vase life. And all of these flowers can last for up to 5 to 10 days in a vase with proper care. And the good thing about growing flowers as a cutting flower garden is that the more you cut your flowers for your vases, the more flowers you get. So on this table, we have an example of some great cut flowers. These are dahlias. We have a number of different kinds of Gerber Daisies, including these incredible hot pink ones. This is a Christina, which is a really neat kind of cut flower. It's beautiful as it is, but you can also dry them and they will last you for months and look exactly like this, because they're beautiful both fresh and dried as cut flowers. Another special kind of zinnia is this candy striped one with its pretty little pink and white centers. And then we have these other zinnias with a bright pop of orange. And zinnias pretty much come in any color you can imagine, and they're great for decorating your landscape and as cut flowers. Finally, if you want to go ahead and ensure that you get continuous roots, I recommend that you go ahead and fertilize. So something like flower tone, adding to the soil in your flower is really going to push out those blooms. All of these flowers are going to bloom until first frost, and with proper fertilization and a little bit of care, you'll have beautiful flowers in your home all season long. Hope this has been helpful, and happy growing.